Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set your virtual backgrounds that no longer showing in your old Zoom app. So here, if you still use a Zoom meeting, you can try to update because there are some feature that change after the newest update, such as a Zoom meeting now become Zoom Workplace here, and there is some new feature that change the old feature into the like meeting and webinar improve visual indicators for lowering hand in meetings and webinars and so on. And also there is a phone features like speed dial key support for shared mobile experiences if you use a Zoom Workplace, a mobile version, of course. And of course there is an AI powered collaboration, and if you want to enjoy all the services provided by the Zoom, you need to update first. After the update, now you can open it, and in order to set virtual backgrounds, because our virtual backgrounds option are no longer showing on the more setting, and now you can join or start new meeting. Wait the process because it take a lot of time, and make sure you have a good internet connection in order to load the virtual background. Now we can disable the audio and video first, and there is a toolbar under your video, and you can tap apps, and here virtual backgrounds now show up. You can simply tap it. Virtual become third party powered by Pexels. So you can set it no copyright, royalty free. Just simply tap and set as your background. Feel free to try. There are 4 categories that you can set. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.